Now we have the Fanhome Build Enterprise D magazine number 28. We're up to 108 for the part bag. Hi guys, Ralph here. So we're up to Fanhome magazine 28, part kits 108. So we're almost finished. We're almost there. I would have thought a year and a half ago we'd have actually got anywhere near finishing. I know there are people who have finished this, but I haven't. I'm still behind a little bit. This took a while to be delivered. So 108 bag has extra parts now, which is the right colour for the it's the ring bit round the yeah, part of the panel there, the end panel. Yeah, it's a part of the nacelle. I think I forgot what you call it, honestly. That's the top cover. There's a lifeboat which pushes in. We have more lifeboats. We have this top skeleton structure for that, and one of the last parts for, I think it's the last part? Oh no, it's the next to the last part with the lifeboats on, and some EM screws, FM screws in there. So, we've got a light blocker there for parts, because this is just lifeboats anyway, just pushes and holds them in place. So let's get this out of the bag, get this ready, and we can start assembly. Right, parts ready, 108 out of 120. I can't believe we're actually this far. So we're not doing the nacelle just yet. I think we're getting on with the, yeah, we want the panel, which is the last one of these as they are. There's one with a section cut out, which I think's in the next one, the 109. So I want that, I want some lifeboats, I want the two, well, they're not light, but they are holding in place. One's got the edge on and it finishes to there. And I assume there's going to be an RCS thruster stuffed into the corner on this, or maybe up against it on the next bit, but I can't see that at all. Cool, so I need that going, if that's that way, it has to be that way. That actually needs to be screwed in as it is anyway. And this with the cutout needs to be that way around. A little cut in that corner there. But I need some lifeboats in place. Give me a second. Now we have actually a new screw on this part, the HMs, which is quite weird because why this panel and then the one in this corner here didn't have HMs? It might have actually had JMs, I don't know. I've got JM screws which look similar-ish, but not. I don't know why there's them. So I just need two, and the other one goes back in the bag in case I need it for later. Yeah, I don't know why these are different. These get dimples through the other side. I will cry. There's enough on this kit already. Maybe they just weren't tight enough. Just something complained, and right at the last second, let's change the screws. Don't know. Right, I'm going to hold that in. So they've got the standard IM screws anyway on that. It's made it a little bit wider to hold that panel in place for no reason. So in she goes. A lot of people are using light blocking, using tape. I'm not, to be honest. If I was going to do that, I would have done a different approach to this build completely. Right, that is the way around you want to do yours if you're doing this on your own model. Why is that grey and that's blue? I have the Mike Lane Mods rub-on decals, which I'll be doing. Yeah, I'm going to do that now. And if by magic everything's changed. Right, so these are all on and done with the Mike Lane Mods. They look a lot better. So this part goes kind of in downwards onto these to get these two, well, there's one tab in here, and then you need to put this, there's a fine lip in there inside this, so you need to go forward, if not go in at an angle to try and get that in. With the RCS thruster being there as well, it's a little bit of a problem, so I'd probably recommend getting that corner in there first and maybe twist, bend and shout it out a little bit before it goes in. That's not on. Ooh, that sounded clicky. Good clicky or bad clicky, I don't know. Ah, there we go. Just felt it just drop in place there. There's a gap on the front. Two FM screws holding in the side here. As I've told in the past, screw in a little bit, let it cool down. Go to the other one, do that one. When you feel like getting tight, just go back to the other one. The metals will heat up a little. That's a massive gap on that. I really don't like that. That's not meant to be like that. That one was as well. So there's potential some parts of this, it could easily be super glued in place. I know, it's not good at all. I'm trying to see if I can prise that over, try and meet it. No. I might go around with some super glue after all this has been done and just push pieces together. Because this is not going back together again. Going back apart. So then we want the parts part for this one. And get out the push-in lifeboat. Put it in the right way for one simple reason. I have already put the lifeboat part on there. And in she goes. Ta-da! It's looking good, isn't it? That's that part there. So next page, we want to get rid of the saucer. Throw it over here. Or there. Parts everywhere when I do these videos. Right. So we want that, and we want that. So this is for you guys only. My nacelle. My nacelle is here. All of the parts of the front are on there that do fall off, including that part as well. But my nacelle is like that. If you want to get yours done, find Dan's Model Universe, the DMU. Go see him, and he'll do one of his videos to show you exactly how they are done. Now this goes that way around. I'm going to just follow this just to help you guys out. Begin with the by nesting the Bussard EM field. Right. Now this has got grid lines going that way, and it actually goes the opposite way. So they don't slide backwards, they go forwards. There's a flat gap, and then it bevels backwards on you. As you can see here, it bevels back, up, back, up. So just rest that in there. Rest that in there. Or maybe there. How does that rest in there? And put that part in. That's definitely not the right place there, is it? Does that go? It's been so long since I've done this. I think, why does that not? There we go. Right, do it properly. And then fit that in place on there like so. So I'm not fitting onto the skeleton, I'm actually fitting it onto the metal part. For some reason it doesn't seem to want to fit right. Might need a little bit of udging along. See, the thing is, these were coloured clear orange originally. That's not right by a long way. Cleared orange originally, and it was wrong. We all knew it was wrong. Eaglemoss knew it was wrong, and they did change it by painting them. So that's looking worse. Why is that worse? That's on, but there's a lip. There's a drop off there. Why is there a drop off there? Am I doing this upside down? Am I being stupid? Won't be the first time. That doesn't look right to me. It's got to go in there. So okay, I have to redo this one because that's the original colour and that I need to change it. But I'm going to do this anyway on here, and I'll sort this out on my own time. Why is that not fitting? What did I do right on there? See, there's a silver backing on there which we haven't got just yet, which light blocks. So why does that? Because that lips down into there. I've got this facing forward, haven't I? I've got this facing back. Let me face forward, Ralph. Thank you. Right, that seems to have slotted in place nicer. So that way to there. Cool. Right, that does fit perfect now. So there is only one way that will go. Right, silly me. BM screws, 3 of those. BM. I've got 2. And 1 more to pick up with a magnetic screwdriver will not happen. So BM screws, they're there. Come on. If you're wondering what's in the tissue, that's the HeroCollector. That was repainted as well, because this ship will look like it's off when the lights aren't on, which is good, which is nice. So that little lip across there from the part we had last time will go in this back lip here, fit in place, done, happy, and then a lot of AM screws all the way around this to put that in place. And it's not a million miles off from where I am on this one. I mean, that part came with, with one of the first early parts. There's definitely no light blocker on there. Why is there no light blocker on there? That part. Methinks there's a part missing, or methinks they forgot. But either way, that is not going to work for putting lights through, because the lights go forward for the HeroCollector, and the lights come out of here for the warp field grills. So that is kind of, that part there is missing from here. So I think you're all going to have a problem on this. So I'm not going to put the AM screws on. What I'm going to do now, while you guys have gone, is I need to remove that and put that onto there. I will walk through this with you guys when the parts come, until we get up to this stage here, and then it's going to be onto that. So we'll swap between either, because I've got the parts. So that's fine. AM screws go in, one in the middle there, 1, 2, 3 down there, 1, 2 at the back, and 1, 2, 3 down there. So nice and secure, gets the skeleton attached to the metal body panels on there. The raised up ones on here, these two, have the back grille that goes on. These are the raised ones on here, and I was thinking you're not going to see that, or the raised ones here are for the warp grills on the side. So there is plenty of work to do. Right, okay, I think I've got a funny feeling, yeah, that's quite a short part there. But we are on with the nacelle again. It's starting to really crack on nicely. I mean, if you want to have a look at this, if you don't see this in the past, I'm just putting it in tissue because I don't want to destroy it. It's a gorgeous colour. But this is almost the colour that it was if it would have been turned off. I mean, this is just dipped in isopropanol or some of it to get the paint off, because these are actually moulded in nothing, in clear. So it looks like that, and it will look red when it's lit up. So again, thanks to Dan, DMU, for doing those for me. But with that in mind, that's the end of this part. That's 108 done. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Again, I've got a Discord channel. Come and join that. Be a Patreon. Help me out that way. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.